This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hyperlink an image to an email using Gmail. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have my browser open now and I am logged into Gmail. I have begun composing an email off to the right side here, and I have an image here. I'm going to click on my image. You can see it's an image. The way to hyperlink an image to an email address, first thing you want to do is click on your image to select it. You can see I have the bounding box around my image. What you want to do is place your cursor just outside of the right side of that bounding box. You want to hold down your left mouse button and you want to drag across your image until it turns blue like that. Once it's turned blue, you can let go of your left mouse button and you can go down to the link icon. It's a little chain link. If you put your mouse cursor over it, it says insert link. Go ahead and click on that just one time, and it appears it did not do anything. What you'll do is you'll go back up to your image and you'll click on your image. Now you can see down here it says go to link. What you want to do is click on change. And then in this new dialog box that opens up here, we're going to link this to an email address. So we want to, under link to, you want to change this to, you want to toggle on email address. Now the little text box off to the right side here, to what email address should this be linked? You want to place your email address in there. I'm just going to link this email back to me. And then you'll just go down and you'll click on OK. Now I'm going to send this email address. It's just going to be sent to myself. I will send it. I'm going to go to my inbox. Right there it is, how to hyperlink an email. I'm going to click on it. There is my email. I'm going to click on my image, and when you click on your image, it should open your mailing app. I'm on Gmail right now, so it will open my Compose an Email. Let me click on it. Off to the right side here, it has opened my Compose email, and if I click on my name there, that is the email address that I linked it to. That is how you hyperlink an image to an email address in Gmail. Thanks for watching.